Excited. So, okay. Do you want me to continue in English or Turkish? I have no Russian option. You prefer English, I think. Okay. I am the Chief Technology Officer at TV Extra. My name is Cengiz İchdem. My contact info is on the screen. I have almost 4 years of experience with this HBB technology, especially in the field of addressable advertising. Let's continue. My presentation schedule is here. I will present who are we, who is TV Extra, what is HbbTV and how it works, how do we enable HbbTV on a broadcaster. These are the technical details, these two subjects, and then the marketing and business subjects, the last 3 ones will start. Let's continue. TV Extra is a company in Turkey integrated with the biggest broadcasters. Acun Medya, Demirören, Doğuş, Ciner, Turkuaz, TRT, the government broadcast group, and the others. We are, with the HbbTV technology, we reached to approximately 10 million homes with a penetration of 55% on TV, and we are integrated approximately with 60 TV channels. Only Fox TV is not integrated with us. All the biggest TV broadcasters, we are integrated with them. Our main focus is on addressable TV technologies. We are developing our own technology and software. We have our own playout software and deployed it on the broadcasters. So what is HbbTV? HbbTV enables the TV with an interaction. You can use your remote control buttons to interact with the TV, and since it is broadband enabled, it is measurable, and the measurement can be done in real time. So, as I said, the first part of my presentation will be technical, but it will be, the technical details will be simple. If you have any detailed questions about the technology and the integration, Mr. Mesut will answer. He's our senior playout programmer. Okay, before HbbTV, the broadcaster transmits its stream to the uplink center, and from the uplink center, it's transmitted to the satellite, and then the television receives that signal, if you don't see this part. After HbbTV, the broadband part enters into our life. HbbTV, as I said, joins the broadcast part of the broadband part. When the HBB terminal receives the stream from the satellite, let me say that this example is on the satellite transmission, but the technology is available for all DVB networks. Cable network or terrestrial networks are also capable of running the HbbTV technology. When the hybrid terminal receives the stream from the satellite, it identifies the HBB application and runs the HBB engine, which communicates with the internet and contacts to the HBB application platform. So basically, the technology works as this. The broadcast continues the play on the TV. HbbTV engine runs a kind of browser on, in front of the TV. The HbbTV application decides which part of the screen it will full according to the application it will execute. In this example, the upper part of the browser is empty. The viewer sees the broadcast, and the lower part, in the lower part of the browser, it displays a advertisement. It is a decision of the application, HbbTV application, to fill which part of the screen. We have L banners, which fills the right and the bottom part of the screen. So, as you see, the HBB engine opens a browser. The HbbTV application is coded with HTML and JavaScript. The applications are HTML and JavaScript-based applications. The browser communicates with the HbbTV application backend through the internet connection. And it is like a website. You can do all the things in a website you can do on your computer. But the browsers on these smart TVs are somewhat limited capabilities. They don't support new JavaScript methods. The TVs have some hardware limitations as CPU or RAM limitations. So you can't run a complex or performance required application on a TV. You are somewhat limited on the TV. I prepared a brief story. We can go fast here. The HbbTV consortium is founded in 2009 in Europe. Its initial deployments are done 2010 and 2012 with the release of first versions. In 2013 and 2016, the biggest expansion is done. There were similar organizations, OpenIP, Television, and Smart TV Alliance from different parts of the world. They came together with the HbbTV consortium and worked together. HTML5 support, MPEG- and DRM support are added to the specifications. In 2017 and 2019, wider device support, companion screens. Companion screens means the television and your mobile phone or tablet starts to communicate if you are on the same Wi-Fi, and you can control your, you can interact with your television with your mobile phone or your tablet. They added this functionality, and the media synchronization between broadcast and broadband. The broadcast stream maybe synchronized with a stream from a broadband. And 2020 until now, improved streaming, dynamic ad insertion, and enhanced HTML5 is added to the functionality. Dynamic ad insertion is important in this issue. On the smart TV, with dynamic ad insertion, you can replace the linear TV advertisements according to the viewer's profile. You can change the advertorials with dynamic ad insertion. This is the last slide from the technical perspective. How we enable the HbbTV. Before this HbbTV, all these audio and video streams and EPG generator applications combine these streams on the transport stream multiplexer. And after the multiplexer, it generates a stream that can be sent to satellite, cable network, or terrestrial. How we enable the technology? We have a HBB playout application installed on a server. This application generates a transport stream with optional tables. This stream goes to the multiplexer. The multiplexer matches the streams, audio and video streams, and the transport stream coming from the playout application. So the final stream has the HbbTV application URL transmitted to the broadcast channel. I want to mention that if you have any questions about this at this point, you can interrupt me and ask it. You don't have to wait until the end of the presentation. This is the end of the technology part. Now for the marketing and business part starts. As I said at the beginning, TV Extra's main focus is selling addressable TV campaigns to brands and media agencies. In Turkey, we do our job as an end-to-end service. We receive the briefs from the brands. We generate the visuals, graphics. We configure the campaigns on the platform, and we generate the reports. We give as an end-to-end service to make the life easier for all parties, the broadcaster, the media agencies, the brands. We do all the services. These are the values we provide for the parties. For the brand, we have availability to target audiences, channel program targeting, city country targeting, time-coded planning. For the broadcasting part, for the broadcasting partner, we have real-time reporting of the TV channel, historical comparison. As I said, we give end-to-end servers, all operations, design, banners, landing pages, reports. We provide several ideas, interactivity and gamification campaigns. Website redirect, app download, lead collection, play video, gamification. I will give examples in the following minutes. And visual and time advantage, 14 seconds band time, band display time, and long-term visibility with infoband ad type. This can be and extra ad revenue for the broadcaster is available. So what's addressable TV, how it works in a slide? When the user is viewing the broadcast, traditional broadcast, at a point, a banner of the brand is displayed on the lower part of the screen. Then if the viewer clicks the red button, the HbbTV application fulfills the full screen and displays the details of the brand campaign. After a click of red button, the broadcast window is displayed again. We have several options for these landing pages. I will show them in a few minutes.
Is it the same channel or two different channels?
The same channel.
The same channel?
Yeah, yeah. We are on.
Content, I mean, the same content?
Sorry.
The second one and the fourth one are they the same content?
The second one and the fourth one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sorry.
But the third one is different.
The third one. This is a video of the brand. Yeah. We can play the video of a brand. While we are playing this video, you cannot watch the broadcast. We stop the broadcast and start to play the brand video.
But it doesn't interrupt the viewer.
Sorry.
It doesn't interrupt the viewer. You see one content and the second content.
In this window, we are seeing the.
The viewer is watching that content.
Yeah. Then for 14 seconds, we display this banner. If the viewer does not interact with the red button, it disappears. If the viewer clicks the red button, it means that he is interested with the banner advertisement, so we display a full screen. Yeah. After displaying this, he can click the red button for exit. He returns to the broadcast again.
And what does the viewer watch there if he turns it on?
Here.
What's that? That's another channel?
Okay, it's small. I'll give examples of that landing pages now. So in Turkey, we have standard banner. It's a lower band banner, L banner, L-shaped banner. In the L-shaped banner, we decrease the size of the broadcast, so the broadcast is fully viewed here. But in this case, the broadcast is not resized here. So this part of the broadcast, you cannot say it. In this example, there is an info band. It is smaller in size. Gillette is the sponsor of this banner. We show the live match score of a match. If the viewer does not click the red button, the banner disappears in 14 seconds again. All banners have 14 seconds lifetime if the viewer does not interact with it. But if the viewer pushes this red button, this band goes to here and does not disappear until the end of the match. So you can follow the live score of the match until it without disconnecting from the broadcast.
I just want to understand what happens after the viewer press that button. What happens?
For this example, the viewer presses the green button, the banner goes here. Actually, I have an example for that. There are videos. And this is another kind of band. We have the right banner. The banner's background is transparent, so you can somewhat view the full broadcast stream. For all of these visuals, and banner types, the approval of the broadcaster or the TV channel is required. Some broadcasters say that I don't want L-band on my TV channel. So we only deploy standard banners on that channel. Yeah, yeah. So what can happen on the landing page after the viewer clicks the advertisement related button? We can show the broadcast window in a smaller window. We can play advertisement videos instead of the broadcast stream. We can display lead forms. The viewer can enter its mobile phone number here, and we can transfer that info to the brand's APIs. So what does it mean? I'm interested in this car model. I want the brand to contact me from my mobile. For this kind of forms, only numeric characters is mostly available, because on remote controllers, to press alphanumeric characters is somewhat hard. We can play simple games, and we can show QR codes, so the viewer can scan this code from the mobile device and goes to another mobile site for other activities. So here are the video examples. Wow. So we display the banner of a brand. The green button is assigned for the interactivity for this banner. Then we display a landing page. The broadcast continues in this window. The viewer can play this simple game. At the end of the game, we play a promo code so that the viewer can apply for renting a car with a discount.
Can the viewer change the channel by watching this in the meantime?
The HbbTV application is executed in the channel's environment. If you change the channel, the HbbTV application kills. Yeah. Yeah. Am I right, Mesut? Maybe there's a possibility to change the channel.
There is possibility, but mostly the TV channels doesn't prefer that, because they are confirming this advertising. When you can switch the channel, that's means you are showing this campaign on another channel, and
yeah.
It's not confirming.
And what if I don't like this banner? Can I watch another banner?
No. The viewer has no choice to change the banner. It's like you are visiting a website. There are banners on the left or right side. You don't have chance to change that banner. It's like a website banner. Yeah. It's like a banner in the original broadcast channel. You have lower bands in original broadcast.
If I don't
Yeah.
use that, if I don't click on the same, I will continue watching my content.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. So let's.
Bunlara alışmamız lazım. Karşımızdaki
A similar banner with the green button for action. Yeah, if you are interested, you push the green button and there's a gamification here for discount percentage.
How often does it come to the screen? The banner.
The banner, it is configured on the advertisement platform. We use the ad form advertisement platform. There are FCAP settings. You may say that for one user, only show this banner for one time. You may say that daily one, for one user, daily one. You can. These are configurable settings from the advertisement platform. So this is another one.
So I only saw the games and advertisement. Anything else you can add there?
So, okay. Let's in this example, the viewer chooses a destination and the landing page displays him the route for that destination. And also, the viewer can enter his mobile phone number for contact from the brand. Yeah. Advertisement with a quiz. In this type, we ask a question and there are options for the question. After we were choosing the one, we display a discount coupon. These kind of landing pages are designed with communication with the brand. We can do any kind of landing page. It's like a microsite.
So it will not affect the traditional EDs on TV?
Traditional?
It doesn't affect the traditional advertisement on TV?
No.
There's nothing to do with that?
Yeah. So this is a time-coded advertisement. Maybe you know the Kim Milyoner İster yarışma programı on ATV. We display a lower band on this. On the bottom of the screen, the viewer answers with his remote controller. Yeah.
The viewer can also answer.
Yeah. The banner displays at the same time with the broadcast. So before the broadcast, while configuring this banner, we require the exact time of when this question will be asked from the broadcaster. We need that information. Okay, info score band. Yeah.
Like the broadcaster set by the operator, we just broadcast what they transmit to us.
In this kind of banner, first the banner displayed here as I mentioned. After the user presses the green button, the banner goes up and displays until the end of the match, or the score. This live score refreshes itself until the end of the match, or the user changes the TV channel. This is a marketing perspective. Audience targeting is applied through ad form DSP. We configure our campaigns on ad form DSP, and detailed post-campaign reports are available for brands and media agencies. Ad form has different sources for targeting. And in this example, we have the BMW campaign has two target audiences: young, outward, achievement-oriented, newly married. For this target, they want to view the new 2 Series Grand Coupe model. For this middle-aged, successful in his career, they want to show the new 5 Series Berner. Actually, this is the addressable TV issue. These are the videos of this campaign. Okay, so the performance metrics of our platform in 2022, CTR rates are 1.2%, QR scan 5%, video completion rate on the landing pages is 90%, and landing page display durations are 8.2 seconds in average. Also, we have adjust and apply apps flyer partnerships. These are these are reporting platforms for mobile apps, which user downloaded the mobile app from which channel. So with these partnerships, we can measure and report the impact of our addressable TV advertising on the mobile apps of advertisers. This is an example for that. The critical issue here is the view of the QR code. So by scanning this QR code, the viewer is directed to the App Store, Apple Store, or the Android Play Store. So by the help of this adjust and apps flyer, we can measure the impact. Okay. This is the video. And apart from the addressable advertisement, we have the options. We have the options for HbbTV applications and portals. Before this screen, we display an icon on the broadcast. If you want to see extra information about this brand or portal, you can press the red button. After the viewer presses the red button, we opens an HBB portal. In this HBB portal, you can display the catch-up services of that broadcast channel. If you couldn't watch the last series video of a series, you can watch it on TV. It's a catch-up service. You can display the schedule of the broadcast. You can play games, and you can give extra information about the weather. The weather information can be localized. If you are living in Baku, you see the Baku weather forecast. If you are living in Gence, you can see the Gence weather forecast, and also the exchange rates. And it's all about the business decisions of the broadcaster. You can also display extra banners here. These HBB portals can be displayed as a brand sponsorship. There is one example here. The brand is here is the Trendyol e-commerce brand in Turkey. It sponsored this HBB portal. After clicking the OK button, the portal is displayed and the viewer chooses a match and the live score band is fixed on the upper part of the screen. Then he can enter the portal again and see other pages of the portal. This is an example of the developed for TRT channel. Broadcasters can offer special solutions to their audience, developed specifically for TV channels or events. In this example, an HBB portal is implemented about the FIFA World Cup. During the World Cup, the viewers can follow the World Cup events and schedules and point tables without their mobile phones on the TV. Okay. And the last opportunity for for the broadcasters. Since this HbbTV application is running on a browser, we can follow the statistics of the viewage of the TV channels. We can show a real-time dashboard, what can the total number of devices that is following the channel today, yesterday, and compare today with yesterday and the last week, and the broadcaster in real time sees its traffic, and also near-time present notification, and we can measure this traffic with 30 seconds, hourly and daily durations. Also, it's possible for the broadcasters to follow the advertisements that are displayed on their channels. So we have awards from several events about the addressable TV campaigns using technology, using data. And that's all. I hope you are not bored. If you have any questions, no?
Can we go back to the
Okay.
diagram where I saw the satellite?
Satellite?
It's close to me.
Okay. It will be better.
There was a diagram. The satellite was the
This one?
yes, yeah. For example, do we have to install any software on the Uplink Center for this purposes or not?
Mesut, you may answer this question.
But it's like since
Huh? But I think the actual answer is here.
Is that the Uplink station? For the satellite or not?
The location is not important, I think. The important thing is that the multiplexer should receive our application's transport stream. But you can answer it.
I'm going to explain Turkish. Şöyle diyeyim size, sadece bizim bu playout'tan gelen bir TS dosyası vardı. Bunun içinde private section'ler vardı. Her kanal vardı. Yani atıyorum ATV, Kanal D, Show TV. Her birinin ayrı ayrı burada private section sadece gönderiyor. Multiplexer'de gelip bu private section'ları her kanalın altına ekliyor. Ve bunu uplink'e gönderiyor.
Yani bize kadar olan proses bu.
Evet, bunu uzaktan da biz gönderebiliriz, uplink'e de koyabiliriz layout makinesine. Yani unicast, multicast ya isterse uplink'e koyabiliriz.
Orada herhangi bir işler görülmeli mi?
Hiçbir şey görülmeyecek, standalone çalışacak makine. Aslında hiçbir şey yapılmayacaktı, standalone makine çalışacaktı, network'a da bağlı değil. Aynı dosyanı hep çeviriyor sadece. Hiç ihtiyacı yok. Bu buluttan, aslında bizim cloud'dan dəyişilir programlar. Bu sadece URL'e basıyor, başka bir şey yok.
Cloud'daki HbbTV uygulamamızın URL'ini buraya giriyoruz sadece. O URL hep sabit. Hiç değişmiyor.
Mesela sen Türkiye'de yapmışsın herhangi bir için. O TV'nin kanalının
Şimdi Türkiye'deki birçok yayın grubunun kendi uplink center'ları var zaten. Mesela ATV için gittik ATV'ye kurduk bunu. Onun kendi uplink. Türksat Beyaz TV için yakın zamanda Türksat'ta kurduk. Onu da şöyle hallettik. Uygulamayı Beyaz TV'nin ofisine kurduk. VPN ile Türksat'ın multiplexer'ına bağladık, değil mi? VPN
Aynen
üzerinden.
öyle. Evet. VPN üzerine gönderdik. Yani unicast yaptık orada.
Yok, yok. Yeter ki bu uygulama multiplexer'a erişebilsin. İster VPN üzerinden, ister lokal network üzerinden. Ama tabii tercihimiz lokalde, yani yakın olmaları. Ama imkan el vermiyorsa uzakta kurulup bir VPN üzerinden multiplexer'a erişim de sağlanabilir.
Bu sadece yani bir videodur. Diğer yayınlar gibi bu da videoda gidiyor uplink'e.
Biz teşekkür ederiz. Yok estağfurullah. Ya benim hoşuma gitti sormanız yani. İlgilendiğinizi gösterdi. Okay. Thank you. I appreciate. Any more? No. Okay, thank you.